Hello my friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. This is a hashtag Thrifty Thursday. I am the host and I will tell you how to join in at the end of this video. But let me show you what I picked up. I've got a really short one for you today. So I was at the thrift store and I don't need any fabric. But look at this. Look at this. I mean, hello. It's just one pillowcase, but oh my goodness, look at these colors. Is it just one? I can't remember now. Yeah, just one. But oh my goodness, look at these colors. Yes, just beautiful, like 70s floral here. It's a good sized pillowcase too. I'm going to list this in my shop. I think I was just thinking I was gonna cut it up and make it into pieces, but I think I'll just put the whole thing in there. So it'll just be this one pillowcase with these gorgeous retro 1970s greens. And I'm assuming it's 70s. I don't know. It could be older, but there you go. Just gorgeous. And I had to get it because it's awesome. So that'll be in my new eBay shop, Sheree shop. I have a link. I'll have the link below. And this also is another. This was a set of sheets. I didn't bring the. I got just a sheet. Let me see. I have the fitted sheet in the other room where I'm going to throw these in the washer after this. But I wanted to do this quick video, and I'm going to throw these in the washer. And the sheets I am going to cut up and make into fat quarters. So I will have some fat quarter bundles soon. But look at this color. I have been, if I get a sheet now, I have some that are less floral, but look at this. I mean, is this not gorgeous? When I saw this color, I was like, oh my goodness. I mean, there's not even any white on here. You know what I mean? Like no in between white. It's just solid floral. The only in between part of the flowers is the like leaves here, the green. So as you can see, it's very clear as to why I brought this home. It's gorgeous. Yeah, there is this sheet. This is the full, or I don't know what size it is, but this is the flat sheet. And like I said, I had the fitted sheet in the other room. I'm going to throw all those in the washer. I haven't washed them yet. I mean, they're clean, but I always, when I bring my sheets home from the store, any thrift store, whatever, I throw them in the washer. But here's the pillowcase. Do you want to just want me to just leave this here and you can just look at this all day? It's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So anyway, it's pretty obvious why I brought that home. The pillowcase, again, I only have one. I wish there were two. I thought there were two. I don't see two though. Anyway, the pillowcase I might leave intact and sell that separately. Just as a pillowcase. I have sold lots of pillowcases in my shop. And so, yeah, I'm going to leave that as a whole because someone might want to use it as a pillowcase, so I won't cut that up. And the other thing, and the last thing that I got was this bingo game, same day, same store, my little local thrift store. And I opened this up because I was like, just figuring out this box. So this is like never been used. It was flat in here, and this is the little box where if you were going to play this game, you put it together, and it has a little slot here where you shake the pieces out to get your bingo number if you're actually going to play this game. But I didn't buy it for that. I didn't buy it to play it. I bought it for the bingo cards. And the box looks like it's been around for a while. And there is a date here on the little bingo numbers. Right here, it says 1994. So that is vintage. This is vintage. So it's got the numbers here. It's got, this is a blue little dots. I don't know what you use that for. And here's this is for when you're calling out the numbers, you put your little, that must be what that's for. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just, this is not here nor there, but you know how to play bingo. When you call out your number, you put a little blue dot on there so you called out that number. So when somebody says bingo, you can check and make sure that they actually have a bingo, right? So, hello. That's very obvious. But anyway, these are pretty cute, and they're not very, this is, well, it's chipboard, but still, you could use these to, as a little, in a cluster or something, or as a decoration somewhere. So, pretty interesting. But, yeah. I have to punch those out. I'm like, here's one right here. I'm like tempted just to poke them all out. But okay, yeah, that's thin enough to use as a little something somewhere. Can you see the width? Wait, where's the middle of the camera? There it is, pretty much. Pretty thin. So yeah, I'll definitely punch all those out and use those. I don't know if I'll use the blue ones, but if I need a little blue circle, I certainly have some. But anyway, what I wanted was these bingo cards. And they are like this. Let me just take one off here because they are all together still. Oh yeah, they're pretty thin. It was hard. It's actually hard to tell on here because, it's a layer of 2 here. Oh, they're coming off now. Okay, because I'm bending them. But yeah, pretty cool. I saw this at the thrift store and my local one. And these are pretty thin. Okay, I was worried they were a little bit too thick, but now that I've taken them apart, it's not that thick. It's not chipboardy. It's more like thin cardboardy. So anyway, that's it for today. Let me tell you, if you want to join in Thrifty Thursday, it's my open collab that I started. I'm the host. And if you want to join in, just post your video or Instagram post on a Thursday. And actually, if you want to post it another day, it's okay. Just still use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday so people can find you. And I get a notification. Well, I don't get a notification, but I can find you. And sometimes they do pop up. And if you're a subscriber of mine, they do pop up in my feed. So, or get a notification. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel for that reason. And because I'm the host, link my channel in your description box if it's a YouTube video. On Instagram, just tag me, and on I think that's it. Use the hashtag in your title of Instagram and YouTube. Hashtag Thrifty Thursday. That's it. No big deal. And I'll see you in my next video. Everyone have a great day.